last class we were learning about the languages. Yes? Yes,
Yeah.
or no?
Yes.
Which all languages you
Yes.
learned in the last class? You remember? You remember? Who can tell me?
Ma'am,
Huh?
can me?
What?
Bihar,
Ma'am,
Bihari.
Goa.
Hmm.
Then
Then
Karnataka.
Goa, Karnataka, Kerala,
let
Tamil
us see. Let
Nadu,
us see. Let
Kerala,
us see.
Tamil Nadu, Andhra
Ah.
Pradesh, Orissa, West
Pradesh,
Bengal,
Orissa, West
Bihar, Mizoram, Manipur. Manipur.
Yes. Can you once again check the board, children? In this, which all we learned today? I mean, in the last class, we learned about.
Gujarati,
We learned first Kashmiri, Punjabi,
Gujarati,
Rajasthani,
Gujarati,
Punjabi, Konkani, Kannada, Malayalam and Tamil, no? Telugu.
Maharashtra,
Then which all we learned? Mia, tell me which all we learned?
Goa,
Ah,
Karnataka,
Hindi we learned?
Kerala,
Did we learn earlier?
Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Mizoram, Manipur.
Manipuri and Bihari, isn't it? These were the things we learned. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 we learned. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Did we learn?
Yes.
Adesh?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, we learned 13 and 14 also we learned, isn't it? Mizoram and Manipur, did we learn that?
Yes.
Today, let us learn. Yes, yes. Today, let us learn. Huh? What is it? What is this? Nagaland. What is it?
Nagaland.
Who can read me the language over there? It is Nagamis. What is it? Okay. 15. We are going to learn it as 15. Assamese. Assamese. Arunachal Pradesh. It is a different language from the state's name. It is something different. The word is different. So 17th one is Thani. What is it?
Thani.
Thani. Thani. Okay, what is it? Thani.
Thani.
Thani. And here, 18th one, Sikkim. What is it? They are also learning Nepali. I mean, they are also speaking Nepali. What is it? Nepali. It is 18. And what is it? We are going here. Meghalaya. 19. Meghalaya. 19. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Then here it is Hindi, isn't it? Here it is
Uttar Pradesh.
Hindi. What is it, children?
Uttar Pradesh.
Hindi. Where all Hindi is talking here, you can see the light blue areas. Did you see these light blue areas?
Yes.
They are speaking Hindi. So Hindi is spoken in most of the places. That is why it is called as a national
National language.
language. So today what all we learned? Which all we learned today?
Nagaland.
Hindi, let it be there. You all know that it is spoken in India itself, isn't it? We all speak national languages. You all know national language is Hindi. Let us see now which all we learned today as the languages. We learned from where? Nagaland. What is the language of Nagaland?
Naga. Ma'am, we have to write.
Right. Nagamese.
Book.
In the rough book, yeah. Now, Arunachal Pradesh. Today you learn only few, okay, very few. Sikkim. What is the language in Sikkim? Nepali. Then Meghalaya. Kashi.
Ma'am, can you read the second one?
Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. The name of the language is Thani. This is the language. And this is the state, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no, children? So what is the state? Nagaland. What is the language? Nagamese. Arunachal Pradesh. What is the language? Thani. Sikkim.
Nepal.
Fourth one. Third one is Sikkim. Fifth one is Assam. Assamese. Fourth one is Meghalaya.
Nepali.
This is a bit difficult for you, I know.
Assamese.
Assamese. Assam and Naga also is easy for you. Nagaland, Nagamese, Assam, Assamese, but the three in between, that is a bit difficult. Arunachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Thani. Sikkim. Nepali.
Ma'am, I can't see
Meghalaya.
the board.
Kashi. Kasi. Not Kashi, it is Kashi. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes.
Copied?
Yes.
Yes?
No, ma'am. Yes. No, ma'am. Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay, take your time. Take your time.
Kashi. Ma'am, please.
And Hindi, where all it is spoken in spoken Hindi, we will learn it in the next class. Okay. There are few states where they use only Hindi. So let us learn that in the next class. Everything together you will not be able to learn. Today we learned 5. Nagaland, Nagamese, Arunachal Pradesh, Thani, Sikkim, Nepali, Meghalaya, Khasi, Assam, Assamese. I don't want you to learn it by heart. When somebody asks something, you should know at least the easy ones. Okay. Like Nagaland, Assam and all, it is easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these things you should know. The other things, let us know there are so many languages. Only for that I am teaching you. Nagaland, Nagamese, Arunachal Pradesh, Tani, Sikkim, Nepali, Meghalaya, Khasi, Assam, Assamese. Hindi, there are so many states who speak only Hindi. So let us learn that. Children, in India, other than Hindi, we commonly speak which language? Other than Hindi? English, isn't it? What is it? English, isn't it? English also we speak in India. Yes or no? That is why in our school also we make it as an important part. Yes, we all speak English. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I stop sharing?
Yes.
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 No, this is Rahul. Have you completed?
Yes. Because network issue going and coming.
Okay. Yes, Halbi. Now you have your workbooks in front, isn't it?
Yeah.
Take it out. Page number 1. Yes.
Number 1.
Before that, children, we said that we stand united. Yes or no? What was the chapter's name? United we
United we stand. United we stand.
United we and yes, united we stand. Now, why we say united we stand? Because we have different cultures. Okay. For this differences, there is another word. For this difference, there is another word. Different cultures, we use it as, for different culture, there is another word which we call it as diverse. Diverse. What is it, children? Diverse. Okay. Regional differences and climates gives us different cultures. Yes, because of different climates and because of different land areas. Like we will say it as physical features. Land areas, different land areas, we have different cultures. We will say that difference as diverse. What is it?
Diverse.
United we stand, but even though we have different diversities, we have diversities in our land, we stand united. We stand united. So what is the meaning of diverse? Different cultures or different climates and different languages we have all together. We make it into a culture and we have different cultures. So we will call as India as diverse country. Understood? Even though we have diverse cultures, we stand what?
United.
Yes, united. We stand
United.
Yes. Now, children, in your workbook, page 1, first question. Who will read me the first question there? Yes, Nia, come on. Nia.
Which of these languages is used by majority of people in Maharashtra? Marathi. Marathi. Marathi.
Pick the answer and write the answer in the bracket you just
Option D.
What is it?
Page number
Workbook page 1, first chapter of the part 2.
B.
D. Answer is
D.
D. Now, second one. Which of these official languages is used by the central government? Central government is using which language? Hindi. Yes, good. Answer is A, isn't it? Answer is
A.
A.
Hindi.
Hindi. Yes.
Dash official language.
Now, Amran, can you read me the third one?
Yes.
First one is answer is D. The second one's answer is A. Third one's answer question. Amran, please read.
There are dash official language in India.
Yes. How many languages are there, Amran?
22.
Yes. 20?
22.
Yes. Fourth one, children, it's not there. I'm not teaching you that. You will not understand even if I teach you. So fourth one, don't answer. Put a cross along with it. That word itself is difficult for you. I know that word is not making a sense for you. Okay.
What is the answer for that? Ma'am, what is the answer of fourth?
Okay.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fourth?
Ma'am, what is the answer for the fourth?
Fourth one is not there, children. That's why I put your cross. They won't understand.
The answer of that. Can you tell the answer of that?
Ma'am, fifth question.
Fourth question. Don't learn the fourth question, children. It is not there. Who is asking the answer for fourth question? Even if after I'm telling that it is
Abdul.
not there.
Abdul.
Don't. It's not there, Abdul. Okay.
The fifth one.
Fifth one. Who can read the fifth one? Abdul, you read the fifth one now.
Name of one Indian language that
Name Indian language that is not on official language of India.
India.
From this 1600 languages, you can name one language which you have not learned yet. Huh? You can write it as Tulu is there. Or you can write
And Rajasthani.
Rajasthani is we learned Rajasthani, isn't it? Did we learn?
Yes.
Yes. Either this to one you can write from this. Easy is Tulu for you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So write Tulu.
Yes.
Or Bhojpuri also you can write, which is not a language in the official language. Okay, this is from 1600 languages, but not from the official 22. Understood? So write Tulu or Bhojpuri, anything?
I'm finished.
Finished?
Yeah.
Sixth one, it is, Adish, can you read the sixth one?
How many
language.
How many?
600.
You have to write it about. About, it's not sure, no? So we have to write about 1600 languages. Okay?
And
Your class is by 10:30 only, no?
yes,
And children, Rayan Harris, can you read me the 7th question, dear?
what does official language mean?
What do official language means? Who can tell me? What did you understand by official language?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Amran.
It is the important languages.
Sorry.
Ma'am, it is the important languages.
Hmm?
It is the important
It
languages.
is the important languages which is used by the government or the state government are using these important languages, these 22 official languages for their work, isn't it? Hmm? Each state is having their own language which they use it for their official purposes or for their work. The government is using it for their work. Okay. Understood?
Ma'am, can we do the 8th question as homework?
Let us learn what it is. 7th one.
Ma'am, can we write the question?
Yes, right answer. It is a language used by the government. Can you see the board clearly, children?
Language
For
used by
its work.
the
Ma'am,
Hmm.
it
States use.
its work.
Wait a minute. Children, 1 second.
it is ma'am, it come for the no, not for
What is it? I will write this line in the next line. That's why I'm rubbing this.
For
For its work. Okay. And states choose their own,
language.
yes, their own official language. Okay, their own, don't say it is only language, it is official, their own official
their
language. Each state is having their own languages. They are choosing it by themselves. Understood? Official, it is a language used by the government for its work. States use their own official, choose their own official language.
Mama, I can't see the board.
Who cannot see the board?
Official language.
One second. I'll share once again. I'll share once again. Now can you?
Yes. Yes.
official
I will send it in the WhatsApp. Those who have trouble in watching the board.
Okay, ma'am.
language.
8th question also.
Next question. No. That we will do it in the next class. Okay. There is no time.
Language. 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 Official language. Ma'am, Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, class. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Completed, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those who completed, I hope everyone has completed, isn't it? Yes? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So children, let us wind up for today. Only this much. For the next class, we will do the other questions. Okay? Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So bye, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.